Hello, in this video you will see how I used three different solvents for cleaning head. Now, first one is isopropanol 99.8% soaked in cotton swab soaked in isopropanol and clean it and left. Maybe it's a little too much of isopropanol, but let's see what stays on head after dry. You will see that it left quite some residues, and this is not the best thing. So yes, now you will see I used methanol 99.6%, the same procedure, cotton swab soaked in methanol, cleaned head 2 times and left. Here I will say it's little better result than with isopropanol, but we need to know that you can't put the same amount of liquid in the first and the second time, so maybe here it was less or isopropanol more, but here was less residues stays on the head. And the last I tasted color thinner, which is quite good for cleaning some things for heads. I don't know. But here you will see that it left also lots of residues, but on half of head. Bottom line of this video is that I always, after I'm cleaning head with isopropanol, methanol, whatever, at the end I'm using soft cloth. Here you can see how it left, it's very interesting. Soft cloth for cleaning glasses. I have 3 different generic from Ray-Ban and from Oakley, and in my case the Oakley made the best results, which you can see on the photo here. So that's it from me. Hope you like it, and thanks for watching.